Hello friend, this is Sajid Mughal and we are studying financial accounting with the help of advanced MS Excel. In my last tutorial I was show you that how you can create a general ledger and trial balance using advanced Excel formulas, and today's lecture I am going to teach you that how you can create a beautiful petty cash book in Excel. Okay, let's start our work. I'm going to show you that MS ABC company petty cash book, and I'm going to write over here date and voucher number. As you know that there are main three types of vouchers. I'm going to list over here vouchers. The format of voucher I will show you in some other lecture. If you have any confusion about understanding these concepts, you can watch my series of tutorial from start. Okay, there are three types of vouchers. One is receipt voucher, payment voucher, and general voucher. Receipt voucher is used for receipts and payments. Receipts, and payment voucher is used for payments, and general voucher is for use general purposes like adjustments and other credit purchases, credit sales, etc. Okay, I'm going to write over here date, voucher number, and you can write the name of expense. Suppose I'm going to write over here salary, utilities, and rent, and I'm going to write over here, this is, you can say, I'm going to insert a page over here, payments. Okay, I'm going to fix it, merge it, payments. You can also add other expenses. I have just listed 3 expenses over here. You can add more. Okay, this is my receipt side, and I'm going to write over here receipt side. This is my payment side, and this is my receipt side. Okay, yes. I'm going to write over here sales, other income. Okay, capital, when the owner will invest in it, this is called capital. So you can add more receipts accounts. I have just enlisted only 3 accounts over here, 3 of receipts and 3 of payments. $2015. You can write over here voucher number, payment voucher number. One thing you always keep in mind that there only we use receipt and payment voucher. No general voucher will be used over here. I am writing RV, receipt voucher number 1. Sales, we received cash of rupees 15,000. Okay, I am going to write over here balance. You can say balance. In balance I am going to sum all the incomes minus sum all the expense out. I am going to write over here balance brought forward. Balance brought forward is suppose 20,000 and plus previous balance. Our current balance is 35,000 and to July 2015 payment voucher number 1 and I have paid salary of rupees 10,000. Okay, I am going to just copy and paste over here. You can see over here that our balance is 35,000 was 35,000, now it is 25,000. Another voucher number 2 of utility 1,000. Now our balance is decreases and it is 24,000. Now I am going to write over here total. Total means that total is required only of sum. You can write over here. Okay, tell over here and balance will be here and this should be blank. As you can see over here that yes, you can format it according to your wish. Yes, this is petty cash. I am going to delete this. Yes, you can increase. Okay, this is petty cash, and if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me. In my next tutorial, I am going to show you that how you can make or create a complete cash book account in Excel. Stay tuned with us. If you like these tutorials, follow us and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.